Hi everybody and welcome to this new video of presentation of the production module of Kaizen indicator system. In this video we are going to see how to perform production by using an interface that we call WebGemba. Before starting we are going to see how you can check the real-time execution of production by using a system that we call Endon. What is an Endon system? It is a system which aim is to share information between all persons in production. Let's imagine that you have the screen on a monitor or a TV in production, and what is the effect of sharing all this information? The format proposed by Kaizen indicator system is this one is composed by three main blocks. The first main block is on the left upper side where we have the list of the products that we are currently executing. So we have main information for each product, but the important thing is that all the information are fully customizable by using the departments Andon setup interface. Then we have information for each product, such as customer name, type and name of product, quantity and production, and completion index. And then following each product, we have the list of tasks to be performed to realize this product. And in this case, the colors, the background colors, tells us many information. Green is telling us that the task is ended. Then yellow is telling us that this task is going to be late, but yet no, it is not late. White is telling us that this task hasn't been started yet. Blue means that task is currently in execution, and red tells us that this task is late. Okay, after this quick presentation, we can put in parallel the interfaces, and we can start to execute tasks by using WebGemba. What do we need to do to use WebGemba? We need to click on the menu Workplace WebGemba, and we check in the WebGemba, and it is personal for us. In the upper side we are going to see the tasks that we are currently performing. In the lower part we can see on the right the workstation available, so we can check in the workstations, and on the left side we can see the workstations where we are currently working, where we already made the check-in. So for example, we see next task picking is going to be late, so we can check in warehouse workstation by clicking on this icon. Page reloads, and we can see that warehouse changed the side, and now it is in the available workstation. By clicking on this icon we exit, we go out from the workstation, and by clicking on this icon we can see the tasks that are assigned to the workstation. So let's check in. Okay, now we can see in the tasks that we can perform. It is a list, and it is ordered by for the parameter early start. Okay, we can click on this icon to start a task. Each row is a task. For example, this is the task of picking with ID 41 for the product bags, welded bags, and for product number 9 2017 customer ACME. Let's click on this icon, the page reloads, and now the task we are performing appears on the upper side of the screen. Tasks you're working on. Let's do this trick to see much information. Okay, it is important to say that we could perform many tasks in parallel. And also, when we're performing a task, we can do many different operations. We can put the task in pause with this icon, or we can say we had a problem by clicking on this icon. Or at the end, we can click this icon to complete the task. For now, let's wait a second and we're going to see how the Andon is updated, and then we are going to complete the test. The refresh time of the Andon is 2 minutes, so in a little while we're going to see that it updates. Okay, while we are waiting that the update of the Endon, we could start another task to see how it changes. For example, we start this task, the task of picking for product lightweight frames sporting chassis. Once again, in here the colors are useful because green says that task is currently in right time, and yellow is telling us that this task is going to be late, so be careful. Okay, now finally Endon updated. So what we can see in here, we can see that this task picking, the first picking we started, now has a blue color, and also we have a new product we are performing, and it is the second picking we're doing. Okay, to end the task, just click on this icon, and we are going to click on this icon, and we will see that this picking will become green too. The WebGemba screen reloads, and we can't see the task picking because it has been ended. Okay, let's see another example of what we could do. Let's click on this icon, report a warning, a problem on the task. For example, a problem on the picking task, what could be? We didn't find some parts. So let's click in here, page reload, and this task became red because there is a problem. Also, we can see that on the Endon we have a warning with information of the department, workstation, user that told there is a problem, and also the date and hour of the notification of the problem. So remember that Endon is a screen to be shared with everybody, so everybody can see that there is a problem in a workstation, and that in this way the responsible person can go and check the problem and eventually fix the problem. Once the problem has been fixed, we can click on this icon, problem solved, and enter information about the causes of the warning. For example, missing parts, solution, called purchasing office to purchase missing parts. Then let's save. Information has been saved and stored in the Kaizen indicator system database. And then we can close this navigation tab, and we can see that the warning disappeared from the Endon. Okay. So for now, we can't complete this task because there is a part missing and we choose to put it in pause. And so when we put this task in pause state, we can see it goes back to the tasks to perform. In this list with status P, as pause, that is pause. Okay, in this session we saw how to use WebGemba interface to perform execute tasks and how to notify we have a problem, and also we saw the Endon as a complete tool to check the status of the production in real time, and we can see how to it allows us to know problem in real time and how to react immediately to problems. Also, it is important to know that there is not only the tool Endon, but also all the data collected during production execution are stored in Kaizen Indicator Systems database, and they are available for further analysis with the analysis interfaces provided by Kaizen Indicator System. Thank you very much for your attention. We will see in the next video.